You're starting the interviews, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I am asking the first question. What is quality assurance and quality control?
So difference between.
Yeah.
Sir, quality assurance, when any company or software is totally become stable. After that, the company provide a kind of assurance in its quality. Means it becomes totally. We can say it is a it released to the it finally released to the market, and it is a stable version of any software. But in quality control, so we can say it is a process based application in which it is not a stable software, and it can also release different versions in future. So it is called control.
What is the difference between verification and validation?
Sir, verification means if during sir testing of any software, we verify different if we verify different bugs or errors in that software, it is called verification. And validation means if the bug is approved, means it is a kind of defect, means the bug is totally approved, then we can say it is a validation.
It is a validation. For example, you are checking that email ID format of login form is incorrect.
Yes, sir.
This is a validation or verification?
Sir, can you repeat?
Email ID format is correct or not? It is the process of validation or verification?
Sir, verification.
It is the process of verification. It is not a validation.
No, sir, we are not. Sir, if we are checking just, then it is verification. If it is said that it is a bug or.
Means it's not a validation. It's
No,
verification.
yes, sir.
Okay, login user ID and password both should be correct. This is validation or verification?
Sir, validation.
This is the validation. Okay. What is the main difference between beta testing and gamma testing?
Sir, in beta testing, when our software is finally, we provide a kind of, we release our software after, we can say sir, we release our software in the market such that end users and clients can give their reviews, according to which if we implement those bugs, and the developer rectifies that, and after again we test, then it is called gamma testing, and before that it is beta testing.
Okay, means beta testing will be implemented before gamma testing, or gamma testing will implement before beta testing. What is the priority for testing?
Sir, beta testing will be preferred first, after that gamma testing.
Okay, who will do beta testing?
Sir, clients or end users can do beta testing. Even
Okay.
testers also.
Testers also can do beta testing.
Sir, in-house company testers does not perform beta testing.
Okay, company testers means outsider testers, means another company testers can do.
Sir, client-side testers can do.
Okay. In which type of project we mostly prefer beta testing?
Sir, the project which is live, in live projects which have some errors, but company wanted to release it to the market, so that so means it is not fully completed, we can say is not completely done.
Means incomplete project can be implemented by beta testing. Is it possible? If project is incomplete and it can be implemented for beta testing? Beta testing will be implemented after system testing or not?
Yes, sir. After system testing.
It will be implemented after system testing. You say that project is not complete then how beta testing will perform?
So means our project is not finalized. Means before we can say, sir, before final execution of the project, means finally we are launching it to the market. So before that we do beta testing.
Okay. What is how many phases will be implemented during STLC?
So there are 6 phases: requirement analysis, so requirement test planning, test designing, environment setup or tools that we. After that, test execution and test closure.
Test closure. Okay. How many documents will be created on test closure?
So test means before test closure.
Not before test closure. In test closure, how many documents will be created? I am asking in test closure phase, which document will be created?
So, sir, bug report. After finishing the bug report, means after clearing all the bugs, so traceability document.
Traceability documents, RTMs.
RTMs.
Test cycle closure report. Do you know about it?
Not
Test cycle closure report. When test cases will be completed, then test cycle closure report also will be created. Okay. Okay. Tell me the test case steps for forget password.
forget password.
Only
Okay.
test case steps.
Steps. Okay. So firstly, we'll check forget password button is link button is working or not. After that, if the first thing is that after that it navigates to desired, means what are the other requirements. If we have forgotten our password, then what are the other methods through which we can again get our password. Like for example, mobile number, recently used password, or secondary email ID, etc. So these pages are opening or not?
These fields are opening.
Fields are-
These fields is available or not?
Available or not?
Okay. And any other? What is the most important things for forget password option that is required?
Sir, it is after clicking the forget password, if we are using means the mobile number, we are providing our mobile number, email ID, whether a message, whether any kind of message is it provides us back or not on our mobile or email ID. So we can check that.
Okay, means you will
Notify.
verify, your verification process will be done. You will verify that the code what you have sent from forget passwords options, that code will be sent to your email ID or mobile number. Okay, means integration testing you will perform. Which type of testing you will perform? Integration testing. Okay, what is the Scrum?
Scrum.
Yes.
Sir, this word is basically used in agile method model, in which the main manager who in which we divide our whole application into different sprints, or we can say modules, sub-modules, in which there are several teams will be divided, and in each team there is a scrum manager, means which the main manager is called scrum manager in that team.
Okay. Okay. What is a sprint?
Sprint. Sir, sprint is basically small, we can say modules or sub-modules in which in agile model, which is means it is divided, it is made by senior managers or company members in order to make sprints, to provide priority to the main application, means components for testing. So it is divided into different modules or sub-modules.
Okay, that's good. That's good.